All the images used in these videos are only for educational purposes. I don't own the images. Individual credits for the images are given in the video. So Google Pixel 4a 5G has been launched with rear camera 12.2 megapixel plus 16 megapixel and 3885 mAh 18 watt charging capacity battery, a front camera of 8 megapixels, 6.2 full HD plus OLED display with 6 Hz refresh rate, and Snapdragon 765G for just $499 or rupees 36,999 rupees with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Along with the Google Pixel 4a 5G, the Google Pixel 5 has also been launched with almost the same features such as the rear camera 12.2 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, 4080 mAh plus 18 watt charging capacity battery with a front camera of 8 megapixel, 6 full HD plus OLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate, and Snapdragon 765G for just $699 or 51,299 rupees for 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage capacity. Google has just said that it will not allow Google Meet to be free from at the end of October and will return to its previous plans about Google Meet, and so we cannot use Google Meet for free after this October. So get ready to spend some money to attend your online classes. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G has just been launched with several beautiful colors for the fans of Samsung. Though it features a great selfie camera, a great battery, and a worst rear camera, but this is not going to be a budget phone. It is more inclined to the flagship compatibility. According to the Government of India, activities permitted from 15th October 2020 in areas outside the containment zones are cinemas, theaters, multiplexes will be permitted to open with up to 50% of the seating capacity, for which SOP will be issued by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Business to business B2B exhibitions will be permitted to open, for which SOP will be issued by the Department of Commerce. Swimming pools being used for training of sportspersons will be permitted to open, for which the standard operating procedure or SOP will be issued by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports MOYA and S. Entertainment parks and similar places will be permitted to open, for which the SOP will be issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare MOHFW. Opening of schools, colleges, education institutions and coaching institutions are allowed by the Indian government from 15th October 2020. Oppo has launched the Color OS 11 beta version, which is based on the Android 11 only for the Oppo F17 Pro. The other current Oppo phones will receive the update in the first half of the next year. Xiaomi has launched its Mi 10T series compatible for 5G with flagship camera, display and speed. The YouTube FanFest India, which will be held online this year on 11th October 2020, features the following YouTubers: Amit Bhadna, Anirudh Ravichander, B Unique, Dynamo Gaming, Emiweb Bentai, Gaurav Taneja and Ritu Rathi Taneja from Flying Beast, Harsh Beniwal, Jyoti Dayan, Kabita Singh, Kariku, Croten Gaming, Madan Gauri, Mortals, Mostly Sane, Niharika Singh, Nikhil Sharma, Pratik Kuhad, Ranveer Allabadia, Ravi Teja, Round to Hell, Sejal Kumar, Slay Point, Sonali Bhadoria, Technical Guruji and Wonder Munna. OnePlus will be launching its OnePlus 8T on 14th October this year with the motif Ultra stops at nothing. And the last update, WandaVision, the series of the Marvel Studios, is launched in Disney Plus Hotstar, and we'll be seeing that very soon. Stay tuned in this channel for more news regarding WandaVision. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and please follow me on Instagram. The link is in description and you may see my username on the screen above. So this is Motion Master and I am Akash signing off.